Today I am reviewing the Logitech G920 driving force racing wheel and floor pedals. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're someone who loves racing games and has ever wondered what it might feel like to sit behind the wheel of a real race car, then the Logitech G920 driving force racing wheel and floor pedals could completely transform how you experience your favorite titles. Designed to be compatible with Xbox Series X and S, Xbox One, PC, and even Mac, this racing wheel isn't just a fancy controller. It's a serious simulation tool that makes driving games feel more immersive, more real, and a lot more fun. The first thing you'll notice when you take it out of the box is the premium build quality. Logitech really didn't cut corners here. The steering wheel itself is wrapped in genuine hand-stitched leather, which not only feels fantastic to the touch, but also adds to the overall durability. Holding it in your hands, you immediately get the sense that this was built for serious gamers who want a professional-grade feel at home. The wheel delivers 900 degrees of lock-to-lock rotation, which means you can turn it 2.5 times from one side to the other, just like an actual race car, including those used in Formula One or rally racing. That level of rotation isn't just for show. It plays a big role in creating a realistic steering feel when you're navigating tight hairpin turns, drifting, or making split-second corrections on high-speed straights. What really sets the G920 apart, though, is its force feedback system. Thanks to helical gearing, which is inspired by actual automotive transmission mechanics, the force feedback is incredibly smooth and quiet, but also powerful and nuanced. You'll feel every bump in the road, every change in terrain, and every loss of traction in your tires. When you go off track, slide through the rain, or slam into a barrier, the wheel reacts with a level of realism that dramatically heightens the thrill of the game. It doesn't just make the experience more exciting, it actually helps improve your performance, because you're getting the kind of tactile cues you'd receive in a real vehicle. And then there's the set of pedals. Logitech includes a full pedal set with accelerator, brake, and clutch, and these aren't just basic push buttons. Far from it. The brake pedal, in particular, has a non-linear resistance curve, which mimics the pressure and travel you'd feel in a real car. This is important because it allows you to fine-tune your braking inputs with much greater precision. Whether you're trail braking into a corner or modulating pressure to avoid locking up, the responsiveness and accuracy of the pedal set really shine. Each pedal face is also adjustable, so you can reposition them to better suit your natural foot placement or even your specific rig setup. Speaking of setups, the G920 is designed with flexibility in mind. It's compatible with a variety of mounts and racing rigs, and it also works perfectly when clamped onto a desk. The wheel has a solid, weighty feel that stays firmly in place even during aggressive driving. And if you're planning to expand your setup down the road, Logitech has you covered with add-ons like the optional driving force shifter, which gives you a more realistic gear shifting experience with 6 speeds and push-down reverse. From a sustainability perspective, it's also worth noting that the G920 includes 52% certified post-consumer recycled plastic in its plastic parts and is certified carbon neutral, which is a nice plus for environmentally conscious gamers. Now, let's talk about the performance. Whether you're playing Forza Horizon, Assetto Corsa, F124, or Gran Turismo via PC emulation, the G920 delivers a consistently smooth, responsive, and immersive experience. Shifting gears with the stainless steel paddle shifters feels satisfying and immediate, adding to the adrenaline rush as you climb through the revs. And because the feedback and steering sensitivity are finely tuned, every lap feels different, especially when weather, tire wear, or track conditions come into play. It's that dynamic realism that makes long racing sessions with the G920 not only engaging, but incredibly addictive. Logitech also provides robust software customization through G-Hub on PC, allowing you to tweak sensitivity, force feedback strength, and button mapping to perfectly suit your preferences. All in all, the Logitech G920 is an outstanding piece of hardware that delivers a premium racing simulation experience at a price point that makes it accessible for both casual and hardcore racing enthusiasts. It's not just a controller. It's a tool that enhances your skill, deepens your immersion, and makes every racing game feel more lifelike. If you're ready to take your racing setup to the next level, or if you want to feel the thrill of racing without leaving your home, the G920 is an investment that's absolutely worth making.